Experiencing a black screen or no sound on your Chevy Equinox infotainment system? First, identify the problem. Black screens often stem from software glitches, especially in 2018-2023 models. No sound can be wiring or amplifier failure. Try a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that fails, a hard reset, disconnecting the battery for 30 minutes, might help, but back up your settings first. For persistent issues, check for available software updates via the Chevy app. Many problems are now solved with OTA updates, particularly for 2022-2023 models. If these steps don't work, note any error codes and consider professional diagnostics. Remember, DIY fixes work in 65% of cases, according to Chevy forums. Ignoring it can lead to much bigger problems. If basic resets don't work, use an OBD2 scanner or GM Tech 2 to diagnose specific error codes, such as U1000 indicating communication issues. For older models from 2018 to 2021, persistent hardware issues often need full module replacement, costing around $1,000 or more. If it's a software problem, flash the firmware using a USB drive to update the system's software. Software-based fixes are becoming more common, and AI-assisted diagnostics are emerging to help predict and resolve issues automatically. Keep your system current by applying over-the-air updates from Chevrolet to prevent many common problems. When troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, consult a certified Chevrolet dealer for professional assistance. As support for older models declines, many users opt for aftermarket head units such as Alpine or Pioneer systems. Practice preventative maintenance, such as avoiding extreme temperatures and regular system checks to prolong your infotainment system's lifespan.